Today classroom. Today I again coming with some reasoning ability. So let's start our video. But before starting, we have a small request. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get all information, all video at first with you. Let's start our video. Reasoning is very important for competitive exam. First question is 34 is related to with 12 in the same way as 15 is related to 34. 34 means 34, that means 3 and 4. Multiplication of 3 and 4 is 12. So 59 means 5 into 9, that means 45. So our answer is A. Next question is, what should come next in the following number sequence? First is 2, second 2 3, third 2 3 4, then fifth 2 3 4 5, now 2 3 4 5 6, now 2 3 4 5 6 7. So number is our answer 7, option B. Next, read the question very carefully. Among P, Q, R, S, T and U, R is taller than only P and Q. R is taller than only P and Q. So, R is taller than P and Q. We don't know who is taller, P and U. So, R is taller than P and U. S is shorter than only T and Q. So S is shorter than T and Q. So S is taller than R. S only shorter than T and Q. Now if each of them has different height, who among them will be third from top when they are arranged in decreasing order? So it is the decreasing order. So third is T, Q and S. Third is S. So our answer is option C. Now the next question. Bikash walked 10 meters towards north, took a left turn and walked 15 meters and again took a left turn, walked 10 meters and stopped walking. Towards which direction was he facing when he stopped walking? Because start walking. It is a point. Because start walking towards north. That's north, south, west, east. Start walking 10 meters towards north. 10 meters towards north. Then he took left turn and again walked 15 meter. Then took left turn and again left turn, that means towards this point. It is 10 meter. Now where he facing? He facing to the south. So our answer is A. Next, 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and so form a group. Which is the one of that does not belong to the group? BD, that means B it missing C with and then D, C missing D, then E, then G missing H, I, F, G missing G, H, but L, M, N, it is opposite direction. So our answer is E. Let's. How many such sevens are there in the following number sequence, each of which is immediately preceded by 5 and not immediately followed by 8? Not immediately followed by 8. That means this 7 is immediately precedes by 7 but followed by 8, so it is not. There is a 7, it is not followed by 8. There is a 7, it is also not followed by 8, but it is followed by 8, 5 and 8. So our answer is 2. There is only 2 7 which is immediately precedes by 5 but not immediately followed by 8. Next problem. Among P, Q, R, S and T, Q is younger than only S and R and older than T. Who among is oldest? So here say that Q is younger. Q is younger only S and R. S or R is older than Q. But between S and R, who is most older, it is not say in the data. So data is inadequate. Next, in a certain code 59346 is written as this sign and 8173 written as this sign. So what is written as that? So first we see the 59346. It is the sign is 8 and 8173. Its sign is HBSD. So here we know 9865. 9865. 9 means A. So it is A. 8 means age. 6 means F. And 5 means dollar sign. So our answer is AHF dollar. That means E. Next, let's see the problem carefully. If M denoted by divide, so in this problem I know it like the values. M is denoted by divide, K is denoted by minus, T is denoted by multiplication, R is denoted by addition. So what is the result? So we start math with Bodmas rule. 20 minus 60 into first division, it is 2 plus 6, then multiplication, so it is 26 in addition, last subtraction minus 6. So option is B. Let's the next problem. Pointing to a boy, Meena said, "He is the only grandson of my grandfather." That means the boy is only grandson of my grandfather's, Meena's grandfather. So Meena and this boy is brother. This boy is brother of Meena. So this is the only grandson of their Meena's grandfather. So our option is A. This is also a problem of blood relation. B is sister of D. Now start. B is sister of D. B is sister of D. You don't know D is male or female, but B is always female. So B is sister of D. M is father of D. M is father of D. So M is a male person, father of D. And N is sister of N. N is sister of N. N is sister of M. So N is female. So the relation of B and N is auntie, father's sister. N is B's father's sister. So N is auntie of B. So our option is B and N. It is option is B. Next, four of the following five are alike in a certain way, and so form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to that group? It is fruit, flower, leaf, plate, and trees. These also a part of tree. So our answer is tree. Tree is not a part of tree. Now 26, 34, 72, 46 and 38. We divide it. 26 means 2 into 13. That means 2 into 17. 2 into 36. 2 into 23. 2 into 19. You see, second part is prime number, but it is not a prime number. So our answer is C. Last problem is cuckoo, crow, bat, parrot, sparrow. Cuckoo, crow, parrot, sparrow are birds, but bat is not bird. So our answer is bat.